So today we are making Rumkugel, which is what, Mom?
Rum Balls.
Okay, rum balls. My dad actually asked for these for Christmas every year. They were one of his favorites. And we are gonna make these to give away this year. We bought a couple of different dishes from Goodwill. They're super cute. It makes a cheap but really pretty gift when you put some cookies and stuff in them. So we decided on rum balls because we're gonna make them anyways. And you don't have to cook them. It's actually pretty easy. The hardest part is just getting the chocolate melted. So Mom, how much chocolate?
There is 500 grams of chocolate and there is 4 tablespoons of butter. I'm making the recipe now for 45 years for my husband, and there's all kinds of different rum balls in there, but I like this one the best. So I'm going to the microwave. I'm not doing it on the stove. I'm going to the microwave and do it 1 minute at a time till it's all melted.
Okay, so go for that. So she's got the chocolate in here. It's not completely melted. It's not liquid. It's just nice and soft. And then now she's doing 250 grams of cream cheese and 200 grams of powdered sugar, mixing it all together, right?
Yep.
And you want your cream cheese to be room temperature. She had to actually throw it into the microwave for a few seconds.
About 60,
75 grams of nuts.
And now we got the powdered sugar.
200 grams of powdered sugar.
So now that's me. I usually take one of those. Can you open it? I got too much chocolate on here.
One.
2.
She wasn't sure how much, so 2 tablespoons of rum extract.
It smells so good. So now we clean this up a little bit and get out.
You want to try? Tastes good.
We gotta put this in the refrigerator for a couple of minutes because now it's too soft.
All right, it is many hours later.
Yeah.
Fridays are really usually busy because we have to go pick up my grandbaby. We already started rolling some of these out because we knew it was going to take some time. So what we're going to do is we're going to show you guys. This is not completely hard. We actually had it in the refrigerator.
You don't want it too much harder.
Yeah. We had it in the refrigerator for about 45 minutes before we left. Mm-hmm. And then because we knew we didn't want it to come back rock hard while we're gone, we just took it out of the refrigerator and put it in the microwave for a few minutes, or put it in the microwave until we got back so it didn't get any harder. So you'll take, however, you can make these as big as you want to, and I feel like the more you do them, the bigger they get.
Or smallest.
Or smallest, and then you can take them.
Where's the little spoon I just had?
Here.
Yeah.
Just gonna roll them into a ball, and then you're gonna cover them either in, that's chocolate milk or chocolate powder, it's hot chocolate.
Let's do those first here. Possible.
Those are, I don't think they're seeing anything. Okay, so we've got hot cocoa powder. So I'm rolling them and then, whoops, and then we're sticking them in there. And I'm not making them too big because it's for a lot of people. We'll have to make another batch. You can make this with white chocolate, dark chocolate, however you want to. And then once these are done, we will put them in the refrigerator overnight to get really hard. And these taste amazing. So something funny really happened today. My mom, as we were driving to pick up Jeremiah, said, can't we do a video? Wouldn't it take less time if we actually did what I see on TikTok with people like doing the, and I said, Mom, it still takes the same amount of time, except for editing. It's not like it just appears and it's done, so I thought that was really funny. I laughed pretty hard because I'm the one who edits the videos afterwards, and I don't do an amazing job, but it's what we do. So now she's doing the powdered sugar for some of these to make them look a little different.
Well, you can use, like I said, the powdered sugar or the instant cacao, and but you also can use some coconut and roll them in there, or take some cornflakes and make them small and roll them in there, however you want it.
The cornflakes is actually really good too. We've had those before. You just have to take the cornflakes bag and really kind of, you know, break it down.
I just hate it with the powdered sugar. It makes such a mess all the time.
Yeah, but once we have put them in a dish, it'll be fine. We already have one of these done in the refrigerator, so that one's already cooling down, or not cooling down, but getting hard. It won't be hard by the time we're done with this. So we'll have to come back tomorrow to kind of show you guys what that looks like.
Yeah, and make another batch.
And make another batch. The longest part of this is really waiting for the
Chocolate cold.
chocolate to cool enough for it to actually hold a shape. It cools down fast enough. It's dogs. It cools down fast. Go. It cools down fast enough, but it doesn't hold a shape right away. It's finally just now starting to hold some shape. I have these really cool vintage dishes that I found at Goodwill that we'll be putting these in. I think it'll be a great little gift. So I'll show you guys that once we have it all done, and that'll be sometime tomorrow because this is going to be a 2-day project, obviously. All right, so it's almost a day and a half later.
Yep.
My mom is the hero because I got a call from a client, so I had to go show houses, and I needed to get these done before end of day because these are going with us today to church.
Yep.
So Mom actually had to make 2 more batches without me.
Yeah, the night I go to sleep like this.
But they turned out great. So this is what they look like. They're amazing. You could put something else in there, like, you know, the new craze with the cranberries, maybe some red, something else in there, whatever you guys want to do. I don't have time. This is what they're getting. These are all Goodwill plates, guys. I paid probably less than $20 for all of them. And we've got more. You may see my grandbaby walking around because he's here today as well. So, but this is what it ends up looking like. It's cute. It's not very expensive.
Yep. They're all wrapped.
They're all wrapped. They're all ready to give. And the thing is, they taste amazing.
Yeah, better than the bakery.
Yeah. So give this a try. Let us know what you think. And leave us a comment.
Yeah.
I hope you guys have a great day and a happy holiday
Yeah.
season.
Happy Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Yeah.
Bye, guys.
Bye.